Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Enter the model number of your graphic card. Waterforce RTX 3080 gaming OC Waterforce WB10G. And then click on the product. Now you can see there are 1.0 and 2.0. So which is you using? And if you don't know, so select any because driver same. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations, 7 also, Windows 10, 11 and 7. All the operating system driver same. You just select this is operating system. After that you can see this is driver, this is version, this is size, and this is date. And after that click on download. You can see it is start downloading and it will take 4 to 5 minutes. And after completed then then click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.